In this video, I'll show you how to create your own successful YouTube channel featuring lo-fi music and how to monetize it using AI tools. But that's not all. I'll also walk you through combining different money-making strategies to maximize your earnings. Stick around until the end to see the full process. You might already be familiar with the channel Lo-Fi Girl, right? Let's take a quick look at their Social Blade stats. Although these numbers are just estimates, they are making $115K per month. It is amazing. It's clear they're making a substantial income by simply posting lo-fi beats with a background image. And they aren't the only ones. Many lo-fi channels are doing extremely well. So how can you replicate this success and earn money from it? Well, first you need a YouTube channel and content. But what exactly do you need to get monetized on YouTube? You'll need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, and original content. While that might seem a bit overwhelming, don't worry. I'm going to give you tips on how to grow your channel quickly and hit those 4,000 hours in turbo mode. And of course, I'll show you how to create original content, all while using AI to make the process smoother. But beyond YouTube monetization, I'll also show you how to generate income through additional methods like affiliate marketing. Let's get started by creating the content. First up, let's make the background image. I recommend using Leonardo AI. Link on description below. You only click it, a free AI image generator that gives you a commercial license for each generated image, perfect for monetizing. Head to their website, sign up or log in, and choose an image model. I recommend the Animate Pastel Dream model, which will work great for lo-fi content. Adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 to get a horizontal image. Then, enter the prompt, just copy mine, and click Generate. After a few moments, you'll have your image. Select the one you like and download it. Now let's move on to the next step. Next, let's create the lo-fi beat. Again, we'll use AI to make this easy. Head to an AI music generator, select the genre, lo-fi, and set the track length to around 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Hit Generate Track, and wait for it to be created. While that's generating, let's take a look at their pricing plans. There's the free plan, the creator plan for $14 a month, the pro plan for $39 a month, and the business plan for $199 a month. You can start with the free plan and later upgrade as your channel grows and you start making money. Now let's see if our AI lo-fi beat is ready. It sounds amazing. Download it, but remember to create an account first to get access to the files. Make sure to add your YouTube link when prompted so you avoid copyright claims. You can even generate more beats if needed.
Now that we have our background image and lo-fi beat, it's time to put them together into a beautiful video. You can use any video editing software, but I'll be using CapCut. It's free and easy to use. Open CapCut, create a new project, and drag and drop your image and lo-fi beat onto the timeline. Extend the image to match the length of the audio and you're all set. You can also play with effects and filters to make the video even more engaging. Here's a pro tip. To get more watch hours, simply copy and paste the audio file several times to make longer videos. Aim for at least 1 hour of video content. Once done, export your video at 60 FPS and full HD resolution and save it. Now you're ready to upload your video to YouTube. While you won't get monetized right away, you can start earning money from affiliate links. I'll show you where to find great affiliate deals like ClickBank, Digistore24, and Warrior Plus. These platforms allow you to promote products and earn commissions with links in your video description. As your channel grows, you can also explore sponsorships and brand deals. Many businesses will start reaching out to you as your audience increases. Next, let's create your YouTube channel. It's easy. Just create a new account and fill out your details. Make sure your channel has a consistent look and theme. This helps you attract more subscribers quickly. You can use Canva to create your channel logo and banner. Canva is free and offers a 30-day free pro trial, so take advantage of it. Start by creating a YouTube logo with the image you generated earlier. Add a fitting font, then search for a unique lo-fi name with ChatGPT, like I did. Now create a banner using the same image, and feel free to add graphics, like musical notes, to make it more engaging. Once everything is ready, upload your video, and that's how you start your Lo-Fi Beats channel. Don't forget to add affiliate links in the description to start making money immediately. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips.